Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm breaking down exactly how to get a flawless base. No tricks, just real makeup magic. Let's get into it. Now for this base routine, you can actually use a full coverage foundation, but for this video I'm going to be using the skin tints because I really love my skin tints. They give me that flawless base, and this is me blending it. You guys can see the skin match. I really love it. Like, I live for skin tints. Now that I'm pressing in my skin tints, the key is to press it in and not rub it in. Just lay it one after the other. And here I am with my Made by Michelle Blur Concealer. I really love this because this also gives me that flawless base. And if you're not getting your under eye, guys, don't panic. Okay, I'm still going to use a brighter concealer, so don't panic. I'm just using this to cover out my face. You get, some people call it face contouring, I just call it covering up my face, really. But yeah, whatever. And yeah, this is me just, using it to cover my face, to bring out those dimensions and those curves, and giving myself a snatched look. And also, guys, make sure the first concealer you're using is very close to your skin tone. That way you can actually have a flawless base. Okay, now the key, guys, is to make sure your concealer has the same, almost the same shade with your foundation or your skin tint or whatever. So this is just a shade brighter than my skin tint, and this is me bringing out my stick contour. I'm going to use that to, demarcate my face and put in a little bit of contour to my cheek. Like, this is not the darkest dark. Okay, now this is just fairly dark, and that's because I don't really like when my contour is like so dark, because I always use concealers anyway. So I just wanted to, just have a little bit of blackness in my cheeks, and that's why I have this average dark contour stick. Now, guys, remember what I told you. Please press it in and not rub it in. That's the best way you can actually get a flawless base. Always press it in, don't rub it in. And yeah, this is me blending. Now my face is well blended. I mean, you guys can hardly see the dark face contour. And here is my summer blush. It's from Made by Michelle. I call it my summer blush because it gives me that ray of sunlight. Like, it just makes me feel really nice, and like it's giving summer. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I always make sure I put this whenever I'm going out in the sun. And this is me blending it out. And guys, check out how easy this is to blend. And this is me when it's all blended out. Guys, you can see just how much this brings that sunlight into my face. Like, it makes my face really bright. And I'm going in with my Made by Michelle liquid highlighter. Like, I love to put a little bit of this on my blush because, oh guys, check that out. Like, this is so nice. Like, it gives my cheek really nice glassy look, and that's what I'm actually going for. This is so pretty. And then, guys, I go in with my bright concealer, and I just put a little bit under my eyes because this concealer is from Fine Cosmetics. And one thing about this concealer is that a little goes a very long way. So if you're not using Fine Cosmetics, you might have to put a little bit more. Now this is me patting it in, and there you have it, guys. All that's needed now is just to apply your powder. And also, I'll be trying out this highlighter on this palette because, oh my gosh, this highlighter is really blinding, guys. Like, it's so summery. Now this is me lining my lips with my H&B Cosmetics lip liner, and I'm just giving my lip a little bit of line. I am sure you guys can't really see it, but that's because I'm using a very brown pencil that is just the exact shade as me. But don't worry, guys, you guys will see it eventually. And this is me drawing on the lower parts of my lip. I don't really like to overline my lip, but I just do it a little bit because it makes my lip a little bit plumpier and really nice. And yeah, guys, this is what it looks like. And guys, always remember to blend in your lip liner. Like, that is the key to a magical lip combo. Just make sure you blend over and over and over again till you can see where the liner stops and where the liner starts. Like, that is the key to a perfect lip combo, guys. I'm just putting that out there. And now I'm going to be trying my new elf lip balm. Oh my god, I'm really obsessed with this new elf lip balm. Like, it's so next level, and this is me trying it out. Oh my god, this is the cherry shade, and it's giving everything it should give. This is me putting it up on my upper part of my lip to just make it, a little bit plumpier. And if you want your lips to look so plumpy, so juicy, I suggest you go buy the new elf lip balm. And if you're living in the UK, the new elf lip balm is now on TikTok shop. You can actually get it on TikTok shop now, or you can buy it on Amazon, wherever you are. Ooh, guys, check out how juicy those lips are. Like, this is giving 10 over 10 minus nothing. Like, this is, I'm living for this lip combo, guys. This is so pretty. And guys, FYI, I actually did a collaboration with Health Cosmetics, and that is why you can see me posting with the lip balm, because I have other videos of the lip balm. And you can actually check that out on my reels. I have them on my reels, and it's absolutely wonderful. I actually taught the lip combo there on my lips. And guys, this is the final look. Look at me all smiley. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this look. Like, check this out, guys. If you love this video, guys, don't forget to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel, because I'll be coming up with more videos, more detailed videos where I would explain makeup to you. Thank you so much. Bye. I love you guys.